Hey guys, have you ever tried this wheat flour nimki, which is very famous in north side? They will have it during tea time snacks. This is very healthy option for the tea time snacks from child to adults. So without any delay, we'll start the process. So here, take a bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour. Here I am using this cup. Whatever the cup you have, you can use it. So in this I am adding half cup of Bombay Rava, Suji or Upma Rava. So this should be wheat flour and Rava should be of 4:1 ratio. Now I am going to add some ajwain seeds, that is carom seeds. Crush it with your hand as shown in the video and add it. Now we are going to add some spice powders. So this is the salt. Add the salt as per your taste. If you are making for kids, add very little salt. Now add chili powder as per the spiciness you want, and some coriander powder. Here I am not adding the turmeric. If you add turmeric, the entire color of the nimki will get changed. So that's why I am skipping the turmeric. Usually you can only add the pepper powder instead of dhania and chili powder. Here I am adding to enhance the taste. Now I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and adding 1 cube of cheese. Grate with the help of grater and add it. Oh, seriously guys, these nimkis are so tasty and yummy. You also try at your home and let me know in the comment. You can't stop eating. So this is very tasty, and that too we are adding cheese, so this will enhance the taste of the nimkis. Usually these nimkis are made up of with maida. Now here I have making it in a healthy version. So mix everything with your fingers. Now add water little by little. This dough should be little hard. It should not be like chapati dough. It should be hard dough. Don't add the water at a time. Add very little by little. Otherwise your dough will become sticky. So this is the perfect consistency. So now close the lid and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. So add some oil on the dough and cover it with the lid and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour. Since we have added rava, so it will absorb the water. Now here after 30 minutes, so our dough becomes hard. Now knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. Take a rolling pin and divide the dough into 3 equal halves. Now roll the dough into very thin. So here one more tip is, since we have kneaded the dough hardly, so we don't need much dry flour while rolling the dough. So roll it as thin as possible. Now cut into the pieces. as the shape you want. Here I am cutting it in a diamond shapes. Whichever the shapes you want, you can cut it. Now heat the oil. The oil should be hot enough, and keep the flame on medium while dropping the nimkis into the oil. Once we have added all the nimkis into the oil, we have to lower the flame into very low and fry it by flipping both the sides until it becomes golden brown in color. Don't let the nimkis to change dark brown, because after cooling down anyhow it is going to becomes dark in color. So if it is light brown, take it out from the oil. It doesn't consume much oil also. So this is the second batch I have added. So likewise you have to add batch by batch. For each batch it took around 10 to 15 minutes, since we are frying it in a very low flame. We should not fry it on medium or high flame. It should be fried on low flame, but while dropping the nimkis you have to keep the flame on medium. Once you are done with the uh, adding nimkis into the oil, you have to lower the flame. So this is the perfect color. We have to take it out from the oil. These nimkis won't get spoiled. For you can store these nimkis for 10 to 15 days or even for a month. This is very healthy. You also try at your home. So this is the final batch. You have to be very patient to make these tasty nimkis. So here our nimkis are ready. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.